how to create animated dialogue videos using 100% free tools, just like this.
We're safe, but... Are we? Did you see that?
I didn't touch it.
And the crazy part is, you don't need to pay anything to create these kinds of videos. All you need is a simple story idea, and you're good to go. In this video, I'm going to walk you through every single step I used to create this, from the characters to the animation to the final result. So all I want you to do is watch this video till the very end so you don't miss anything and don't get confused along the way. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Wilfred, and here I teach you how to use AI tools to create content using just your smartphone and actually monetize your skills. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you never miss videos like this. Now, without wasting any more time, let's dive straight into the tutorial.
So guys, to create this kind of videos, we need to create a story first, and what we're going to do is to create a story, and we're going to use ChatGPT for that. So I went ahead and created my story, and I'll be walking you through every step I used to create this story. So at first I asked ChatGPT a simple question like this: create a short story which can be told in 60 seconds. The story should involve only two characters, which is a boy and a girl, to keep things visually consistent. Introduce a small suspense hook every 5 seconds so the video remains engaged throughout. The tone should be cinematic with clear visual action instead of abstract descriptions. Make sure the story has a beginning, lasting tension, a turning point, and a satisfying ending. Keep the language simple and easy to visualize. This is a simple question I gave ChatGPT. So this is the story which ChatGPT gave me, and it is titled "The Door That Shouldn't Be Opened." This is the hook, and also this is the whole story here, as you can see, and the turning point is also there. As you can see, everything is numbered according to how we gave it, according to the prompt we gave to ChatGPT. As you can see, it is containing 60 seconds, including the ending. Then that's the story, and after that, I went ahead and asked also ChatGPT another question, which is also give me prompts to create 3D images with consistent characters. As you can see, I've asked it for images, 3D images, which is containing consistent characters in each and every skin. And also it must be high quality, and I want to create a dialogue skins where they interact with each other. As you can see, the story is so detailed. So ChatGPT went ahead and gave us this character descriptions. This is the main character design which we are going to use in every prompt. So this is the character, the description of the boy. This is the prompt we are going to be copying and use in every skin we are going to create. So this is the character description of the boy, and also this is the character description of the girl. And these prompts we are going to be using it in creating every image or video we are going to create. So this is everything here, and also these are the skin prompts with the dialogues in it. So this skin 1, this is the prompt for skin 1, and we are going to use the character descriptions in creating all this you are seeing here. As you can see, this is also the dialogue is here. Skin 2, the same thing with each dialogue. Skin 3, same with the dialogue. Skin 4, everything is containing each dialogue. So this is what we wanted, because we are creating a video where characters are engaged with each other, or they are talking to each other. So this is everything we wanted. This is everything we wanted. All is here. So the next thing we are going to do is to create our images, and we are going to use Gemini. After creating our story and our image prompts, the next thing we are going to do is to create our images. So what we are going to do is to copy our skin 1 image prompt into our clipboard. So this skin 1 image prompt, and we're going to copy it into our clipboard, just like this. Copy to our image into our clipboard. Then after copying the skin 1 image prompt, so we are going to copy also the character description so that we maintain the consistency of our images. So I'm going to copy the image description, the character description of the boy to our clipboard. I go ahead also and copy this one for the girl into our clipboard. Then after copying, we are going to head over to Google Gemini. So I'm going to switch to Google Gemini website. After switching on, this is the interface it will bring you to. After bringing you to this kind of interface, just click on create image to proceed. After clicking on create image, it will bring you a lot of options to choose from. You can either pick a style for your images, or you just skip it like that. So for this case, I'm going to skip it and just write my character description in the description box here. So I'll just click on the description box and paste my prompt. I paste the first skin prompt in skin 1 image prompt into the clipboard in the description box. After pasting that one, I go ahead and put some space. Also, I have added the character description of the boy into down below the skin 1 image prompts. Paste it there, and also I put some space again and had the character descriptions of the girl also in that clip down below the character descriptions of the boy. So after that, I click on generate. Then after a while, Gemini will go ahead and proceed to create for us our image. As you can see in the website, is generating our image. So what you need to do is to exercise your patience. Be patient, because it can take a few seconds to generate for you an image. So let's wait and see the image you're going to get. So after a while, this is the image Google Gemini gave us. The next thing we're going to do is download our image into our clipboard. Just click on this download button here to download it to our image, to our gallery. So click on it, and after clicking on it, you'll see a prompt that to download it to our image. And after a few seconds, it will be downloaded automatically into our gallery, as you can see from here. So we proceed and download to go and create our second image. So I go back to ChatGPT. When in ChatGPT, go and copy the skin 2 image prompt to our clipboard. So I need to copy this skin 2 image prompt into our clipboard. Copy it, and after copying, I go back again to Gemini. When I'm in Gemini, I'm going to paste my image prompt down here. I paste it there and click on send. And automatically it will start generating for us our image, generate for us an image. So this is our skin 2 image prompt image. So after that, you need to download it again to our gallery. Just download it to our gallery, and we go back again to ChatGPT for skin 3 image prompt. So when in ChatGPT, we copy our skin 3 image prompt into our clipboard. Copy to our clipboard and head over again to Google Gemini. When in Google Gemini, just paste it into our prompts box here. Paste it and click on generate again, and wait for a moment for our image to be generated. After a few seconds, this is our skin 3 image prompt image. So what we're going to do next is download it again to our. So this is the same process you're going to be repeating again and again to create all our images. After creating all our images, the next thing we're going to do is to animate our images. Now, after we are done creating our images, the next thing we're going to do is to animate our images. Turn our images into video, and we're going to use YouTube for that. So before we go to YouTube, we need to first get our prompt, which are in ChatGPT. So I'm going to open ChatGPT, and after opening ChatGPT, I'm going to copy our skin 1 image prompts, video prompts into our clipboard with dialogue. So I'm just going to copy our prompt with dialogue into our clipboard like this, and then head over to YouTube. Head over to our YouTube app. Now, after you have opened YouTube, you will see an interface like this, but now you're wondering, how can I even create video and animate images with YouTube? Just go ahead and click on the plus sign, which is here. Click on the plus sign, and after clicking on it, go ahead and click on this AI feature here. This one here, click on this AI feature, and it will automatically take you to another interface which looks different again, and this is the interface it will bring you to. Next, go ahead and click on create video. After click on create video, it will bring you an interface
we
like
need to
this.
describe our image. So first of all, we need to add our image here. Click on it, select your image, and after selecting, we need to paste our prompt, which is here. I pasted my prompt, and I need to differentiate these characters because here they're written girl and boy. So I'm going to write here something to differentiate them. I put a open curly bracket, a girl in red hoodie. No, the girl is in a yellow hoodie. And close the bracket. And also I need to differentiate for the boy. Put open curly bracket and add boy red hoodie and close the bracket. Now I've already differentiated our characters for YouTube to.
Next, go ahead and click on generate, and YouTube will start generating our video automatically. So what you need to do is to wait for YouTube to create our video, and it will not take long. It will take like 3 to 4 seconds only, and after that, this is the video we created. Let's play it and see.
Did you see that? I didn't touch it. Did you see that? I didn't touch it.
The next thing you're going to do is to download our video into our gallery. So just click on the download option here. Now after clicking, our video will be downloaded to our gallery automatically. Next, we go ahead and create as many videos as we want using the same
Did you see that?
process. First of all, we go back again to ChatGPT for our prompts. Let's go back to ChatGPT. When in ChatGPT like this, copy our skin to image prompt with dialog into our clipboard. As I'm copying like this, copy it, and we head over back again to YouTube. Click on it. Let's go back. Now we need to paste our prompt for skin 2 here. And also we remove the last image we used like this, and we had our image for skin 2. As you can see, I'm going to pick skin 2 image like this, and then I put some description up here also. The boy is in green hoodie, is in red hoodie. And the girl is in yellow hoodie. After that, we click on go, and we wait a little minutes before our video will generate fully. This is the same process you're going to use to create all videos without paying anything. So just a matter of getting your prompt, image, and you start creating straight away. And also the one thing you need to know is that you need to differentiate your characters in details so that it cannot confuse YouTube. So let's go ahead and preview the video we just created again, and we see.
Stay close! Ah! 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 Something's wrong. Stay close! Ah! 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 Something's wrong.
Next, go ahead and download it to your gallery. Just click on the download button here.
All right. If you made it to this point, you now have everything you need to start creating your own animated dialogue videos using completely free tools. And here's the truth. Most people will watch this, get excited, and then do nothing. Don't be that person. Take action today, even if it's just creating your first simple scene. Because the more you practice, the better and faster you'll get. And if you actually apply what I showed you in this video, you can turn this into a real skill that can make you money, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or even working with clients. Even more powerful AI tools. And trust me, the next one is even better. Click the video showing on your screen right now. I'll show you another method to create even more realistic videos step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.